educational landscape. As we commence day 5 of this program, it is a privilege to have with us Renuka ma'am, a dedicated and strategic expert who will share her invaluable insights on ICT tools for teachers in higher education institutions. A heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. Now, let me introduce Madam's remarkable profile. With 2 years of corporate experience and 12 years of teaching expertise, she has authored numerous textbooks on information technology, programming languages, e-commerce, and artificial intelligence, enriching the learning experience of undergraduate students. Currently serving as an assistant professor at Anurag University, Hyderabad, she holds degrees in MSc, PGDBM, and MBA, and is currently pursuing her PhD in HR Analytics. As the Vice President for the Telangana chapter of the Research Foundation of India, she has contributed extensively to academia with a wealth of papers and publications to her credit. Recognized for her exceptional contributions, she was honored with the ILDC AMP Women Excellence Award 2019 for her outstanding achievements in academics and was celebrated under the category of Women in Academic Leadership at the Women in Leadership Conclave 2023 by GNITS. She has served as a resource person for numerous activities and training events across India. So that's a glimpse into Madam's remarkable achievements. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Very good evening to all. Thank you, Neha ma'am, for the introduction. A very good evening to all the participants who are present online, and a special thanks to Team RFI. So we'll start today's session. Ma'am, am I audible and is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So we are in this FDP program or the training program on practical aspects of ICT tools and online teaching in current scenario. And we are in the day 5 where we'll be learning the ICT tools for teachers in higher education institutions. Okay, so let's get started with the FDP today's session. So today I'll be taking you through few online assessment tools, okay, which can be used and make our teaching and learning an interesting way, and also some of the interactive presentation tools. And obviously we are living in the world of AI, so we'll also be learning few AI powered ICT tools which makes our works very interesting and fun way to learn the things. And lastly, we'll be going through few tips which can be followed by all of us. Right. So before starting the session, I would like to tell you all that whatever tools, whichever I'm showing or we are learning today, so those tools come up with two versions, the free version as well as the premium version. Means with the free version, there are limited options which are available. There are certain limitations for each app. But if you are interested, if you want to explore more, and if you think that that tool is worth buying it, so you can go with the premium version by taking the subscription for that. So we'll start with the presentation tools here. So first we'll be learning few online assessment tools which we'll be going through. Okay. So let us start with the first tool. So this is one tool which is very easy to use, And quickly in the classroom also, suddenly if you want to put a test also, if you want to make a small quiz, we can easily do it using this app called as quizzes.com. So all these, whatever I'm going to show you, all these are available as apps also. And you can download it from the Play Store, and you can do it through your mobile as well. So this is a tool which is called as quizzes.com, and you can log in with your Gmail account as admin. And the account which I am using is a basic account. So here quizzes comes up with the various options where you can create the quizzes on the go. Okay. Or you, if you have any quiz with you, you can upload it and make it as a game. Or if you want the AI to generate the questions for you, that also we can do it. So we'll see the various options which are there here. So here, if you observe, we have one, after logging in, you'll have something called as create. Here we can create a quiz from the scratch, or we can create a lesson also. And in between the lesson, we can have interactive slides where we can interact with the students with some questions or any opinions from them. Like that also we can do it using this lesson option. Or we can use the flashcard options to make the learning process interesting one. So we'll see first the quiz part. So if I click on the quiz thing, then it will ask you 3 different options. The thing I told you already, if you have the questions with you, you can import them. Okay. Or else we can ask the AI to generate the questions based on the context you are giving, or you can create it from the scratch. So we'll start with creating from the scratch. So if I click this one, and I want to generate a quiz immediately in my class. So I do if so, what can I do means I can just click on the topic. I can select the topic. Say for example, I am selecting artificial intelligence as a topic. It can be any topic, whichever choice you want. You can click it and click on search quizzes. Then here it will show all the quizzes which are available on this particular topic from the community. Okay, from the community, we can select we can see the questions. For example, first I will go with this first quiz. When I select this option, on the right hand side, I can see the questions which are available in this particular quiz. So if I'll go through the questions, if I like that question, so for example, I want this question. So I'll just click on add. On the side, if you observe here, you can see that the question which I have selected has been added to my quiz. Okay. Say for example, next I want to go for this one. So I'll just click on add questions. Now I see this particular quiz and I don't like the other questions. I want to see the other quizzes which are available in the community. So what I can do is I can just click on the another quiz and I can select the questions as per my requirements. So for example, I just select this and next I want another quiz. I'll select whatever questions I want. I can select it. Let's see. Sometimes it will come in another languages, so you can use the filter options to narrow down your search. Okay, so for example, I just like this quiz. So in this way, I can add the quizzes, add the questions, whatever I want. See, I have added 6 questions from 6 different quizzes which are available already. Okay. Or if you want to add your own question, you can add a question manually also. So we can have a multiple choice question or a fill in the blank question, poll, you can ask an open-ended question, or a word cloud. These are the options which are available under the free version. If you take a premium version, then you can have all the other options as well. So for example, multiple choice. If I select, it will give me the option to type the question. Okay, so this is how you can use the quizzes thing. And after adding all the questions whichever you require, then you can just click on the publish and give some quiz name here. AI and add the relevant subject and add the grade. So for example, but the only problem is when you are going with a public, this free version, we can have this quiz available to all. It will be available publicly. Okay, that option we can't change it. Means whenever any person types this particular AI keyword, then there are chances that our quiz also appears in the community post. So after clicking, then click on publish. Your quiz will be published and it will be added to your library. And you can download it as a worksheet if you want. If you don't want your students to use the mobile phone in the classroom, then you can print it and give it as a quiz, or else you can click on the start now, or you can assign it later as a homework as well. So this mastery peak is there. This option, if you select, it will be like a game kind of quiz, which will be playing in after few minutes in this online session as well. Okay, so this is how you can use quizzes. Or I'll also show the AI part, generate with AI. So here you can give the material. You can select any material which is there, which you are using in your class. That you can upload it, and from that, the AI will try to generate the questions related to that. Or if you want to show them some YouTube video, and based on the YouTube video, you want to generate some quizzes. Okay, say for example, select one video. And I'll try to select a short video. I'll give a prompt. Can select, say, 10 questions. Grade, I will select it like university or. You can select the subtopics also, because AI is like a very broad topic, right? So I'll select machine learning basics and NLP. So it is generating few questions. See, it has generated 10 multiple choice questions. Again, this is editable. If you don't like the question which it has generated, you can edit it. You can delete it and you can add your questions also. So in this way, you can use this tool called as quizzes.com to generate your own quizzes, or you can use AI to generate the quizzes as well. Okay, so wait, I'll just show you. And after running the quiz, all the things, means, for example, how many students have participated, what are the scores, and everything can be checked in the reports. So you need not worry about the documentation. Everything will be there in the reports. Say, for example, if I show you my reports, yes, in today morning, I have kept this quiz for one of my class on PowerPoint. So 51 participants were there. If I select that particular thing, I can get the overall scores, whatever scores they have done, everything I can see it. And I can download this as well and document it. Say, for example, I can print it as well as download it. So all these reports will be stored in my this particular option called as reports. or okay. Okay, now we'll just play a small quiz using this. I'll share the link in the chat box. All of you can click on that link. You can click on the link which is pasted in the chat box and you can join the quiz. I have pasted the link in the chat box. Okay, 3 people have joined. Very good. Okay, I can see many people joining the quiz. So participants, please click on the link which is pasted in the chat box. Eight people have joined. We'll wait till 1 more minute and we'll start the quiz. This is a basic simple quiz. I just want to show you how it will look from a student perspective. Okay, I'm starting the quiz. People can still join. Just keep answering the questions which are coming on your screen. People can still join the quiz, which is the link is pasted in the chat box. Okay, I can see people answering the questions and moving forward. Okay, I can see many people have joined the quiz. Thank you so much. Okay, nothing happened. Your screen might be shaking. I can see people answering the questions quickly and reaching to the top positions. Good. Still, anyone wants to join also can join. Ruchi ma'am, VG, Dr. Roshni is leading now. Okay. Okay, Roshni ma'am came to second position. VG sir is like leading. Okay. One person reached the top of the mountain. Okay, two people have reached the peak of the mountain. Uh, do it quickly so that we can go through the other tools as well. Okay, so I think okay, two people are still doing it. Let us wait for them. Okay, I am ending the quiz now. So we'll see who came first. Okay. So you can see Divya is the top scorer. She's in gold tire, then followed by Kiran, PR Bharati, and Selvi. Divya ma'am is the warrior. Okay. So this is how we can have a quiz. And here it shows all the things, how what the students have attempted, how many they missed it, what points they got it, everything will be displayed. So these all things will be there in your reports option where you can download it later. Okay, see, for example, just now we have played this game. So we can get the total thing, how many they scored. You can again download it and save it. So this is about this app or the tool called as quizzes.com. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, that is wordwall.ai. Okay, now here again we need to log in. I'll just log in with my Gmail. So here you can have the option called as create activity. You can see there are n number of options for you. In the basic option itself, you have so many options where this is like the pro app. Uh, if you take a premium version, then you will get these options. But with the wordwall.com free version, you can have these many options. See, you can have a hangman game. You can put a hangman game in your class, or you can have the spin the wheel. You can have the finding match. You can have completing sentence. You can have word search. It is coming up with so many options. So let us try one simple option. We'll create a thing. Okay, say for example, we'll go with hangman game. We'll see how it works. Okay. So can anyone tell any word for this hangman game? You can type it in the chat box. Yes, Rashmi ma'am, the quizzes app, as I told you, it comes with free as well as premium version. What we have used is free version. So free version, I'm using this app like from past 6 years. It is pretty much good. Free option works well for us. Okay, research word. You can say this as an activity. The students will be selecting the word. Say, for example, okay, I'll select the word which is not there. So hangman game, as we all know that it is coming up. Okay, say for example, I'll select R. Okay, So you can share this with your students, okay, as an assignment, or you can share this page as well. So this is one simple activity which you can create it through wordwall.net, or else you have many other options as well. See, we can have a quiz, we can have a sorting, we can have it as a game show. Okay, we have so many things here. So this is about wordwall.net. Next, moving to the next one, we'll see perplexity.com. Okay, perplexity